Well, hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in for another edition of Talking Bullion. Got this package I received in the mail the other day. Very excited about it. I think I know what's in it. It gets pretty sad or exciting, depending on how you look at it. When you order things and then you've ordered so much, you forget which one it might be. So we've been stacking some bullion lately, and pretty sure I know which one this is, but let's open it up and take a look. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and cut this thing open and we'll see together what's inside. Open it up. And very nice. What I was thinking it was. So what I have here is a Bill of Rights proof coin. From my understanding, it was given out to Chrysler employees, I believe, back in 1991. So I've been doing a lot of searching on the Bill of Rights, U.S. Constitution, just different coins with that subject matter. And I came across this. And I've seen it for a while. I just wanted to wait until I could get it for a good price, and I finally was able to. So let me go ahead and get this opened up. And here we go. We have a nice velvet looking box to figure out which way it opens up. And it opens up like that. So let's go ahead and see what we have. First thing we have is a certificate, it looks like. Let's take a look at that. Chrysler honors the Bill of Rights, 1791 through 1991. So really cool. Got the original certificate of authenticity and gives all the specifics on it. So we can see it's 1 troy ounce of 999 fine silver, which I thought it was. The seller on eBay put that it was sterling silver, but they also had a copy of the cert. And I was pretty sure it was 999 fine silver, and the cert here verifies that. But this was only given out to the employees. I believe this is pretty collectible, and especially because I'm looking for things that represent the Bill of Rights or U.S. Constitution just to add to my collection. So if we look inside the box, Advantage Chrysler with the Chrysler symbol, which as we know doesn't even exist anymore. And then let's take a look at the actual coin itself, because it was one of those where there's only one picture on the eBay auction, and that usually concerns me. That usually means they're trying to not have you notice something or not show you something. But so far, for this being as old as it is, this thing looks great. So let's take a look at this side. It says Bill of Rights, Constitution of the United States, the old feather pen, 1791 to 1991. If we flip on this side, life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, 1 troy ounce, 99 fine silver. So it looks like there could be a little white toning in there, unless that's just it being kind of stuck to the capsule. But this is a really, really nice round. Again, got it for a great price, just a few bucks more than a normal bullion type round. And very nice. Really, really happy with this purchase. Like I said, I waited it out for a while. I've been wanting it, but I finally found it. And pretty cool. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know also if anybody else collects this Bill of Rights, U.S. Constitution, just basically American history type stuff. And if you do, and you have other stuff that's out there that I might not be aware of, some cool silver bullion out there, let me know. I'd be really interested in knowing some of the cool stuff that other people are collecting as well. So that's it. Appreciate your time today. Make any comments you have out there and let me know what you think. And if you like my videos, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. We'll see you next time on Talking Bullion.